Bundys Garage, Bundy here, working on a first generation Toyota Sequoia with the 2UZ FE engine. And what I'm dealing with here is the on the passenger side, there's two power outlets right here, two 12-volt power outlets, and they are not working. And I'm going to show you guys how to fix this super quick. Like I said, this video is going to be short and sweet and to the point, so I'm going to turn on the ignition. You're going to see right here have 11.98 volts. This is a voltmeter I've put in all my cars. Love this. Shows me the condition of the alternator when the engine is running, and shows me you know, whether the alternator is charging or not. So you can see this cigarette lighter is working. Pull it out, bring it over here. This should light up when I put it in. Nothing. Got nothing. Let's try the bottom one. These are on the same circuit, so there you go. Nothing. Okay, let me show you how to fix that real quick. Shut this off. On the driver's side, right where your left knee would be, you have this little fuse panel. Okay, so you pop that sucker out, right? And you look here. You're gonna see right here, power outlet right there. Can you guys see that? 15 amp fuse. So it's on the far right, second from the bottom. And if you go right here, you can see it. It's that 15 amp that's sitting right there. I'll grab it with a pair of pliers to get it out. Okay, got it. Let's take a look at it and see what it looks like. It's blown out. This fuse is blown. Let me show you what a good fuse looks like. Okay, here's the good fuse. You can tell that's intact. Right there, you can see it right there. So this fuse is good. Always replace like for like fuses. And what I mean by that, this is a 15 amp fuse. Replace it with a 15 amp fuse. If it's a 20 amp fuse, put a 20 amp fuse. If it's a 10 amp fuse, only use a 10 amp fuse. So don't put something up, you know, higher than what it's rated for. Always stay same for same when it comes to fuses. So I'll put this back into place. Just shove that back in. Okay, let's see if it works. Put the key back in. And looky there. The cigarette lighter is working. 12.08. Alright, let's check the top one. Yep, they both work. So if you're experiencing no power on your passenger side cigarette lighters in your Toyota Sequoia first generation, go ahead and check your 15 amp fuse. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers before 2023, so if you can, please subscribe if this video has helped you out.